Hey everyone, today we're going to be removing the grease from an extractor cooker hood. So the extractor hood filter has been replaced, but we're going to be cleaning and removing the dust and the grease from the exterior. I'm going to be using my favorite product, elbow grease, because it works well to remove grease and it works immediately. So yeah, I'm going to get my mental scourer and I'm going to be removing the grease, which it just easily melts off, which is why I love elbow grease. So now I'm also going to focus on the outside of the hood of the cooker. Dust and grease normally build up over there, and it's one of the most forgotten areas if you've got one of these. So I'm just going to use a Dishmatic filled with dishwashing liquid. So I'm going to leave that to soak on that side, and I'm going to focus on the top now. This is also another pot which normally collects a lot of dust and grease, and especially if it's got paint, so it's normally hard to see, but if you have a quick look, you will find it. So I'm going to repeat this process as many times as I need to. Right now I'm just wiping off the excess product, but I'm going to repeat the process because if you see on the right side, there's still a bit of grease there. Apologies for the shortness of the video. Normally my videos are up to like 9-10 minutes, but most of my files were not loading, so I just had to edit with what I've got, which normally happens. But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So the blue microfiber cloth that I'm using is just to remove all the excess product because I've wiped everything off and everything's looking sparkly and brand new. I love microfiber cloths, but if you want to know more, please watch more of my videos where I explain why microfiber cloths are the best. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one, which will be a bit longer, so look forward to that. So see you later. Bye.